Stars, I'm a fool for your love.
Hey guys, I'm Muhammad Hamza and welcome you all back to my channel How To. In this video tutorial I'm gonna tell you how to make classic intro. Many people ask how to make classic intro, or how to make even intro, but some of them many people don't have its answer. I mean, they don't know about the trick. But today I brought a trick on Android. An offline app is used easily found on Play Store. First of all, I'm gonna tell you its name. Legion app is easily found on Play Store. Okay, so by opening the Legion app, first view will be as shown. You can see here some kind of text given that is editable. You can change it according to your own idea. So I'm gonna change it and write here how to. Okay, so I'm done and just clicking the text sign. Now some kind of option appear here. First is camera option, image option, and play option, like option, and delete option. So you don't need to click any option, but let me tell you, the image option is for adding image from the gallery to the background of this animation. So if you wanna add any image, you can, but I don't wanna add any image. Okay, so by clicking the next, now I'm gonna select the black background. Okay, now I'm clicking this one. So on the first line you see these all are the kind of animation how your logo will be presented, and the second part, these are the classic, I mean the color background. If you don't have add any image, so you can select from this. And so you see here the animation is already shown on the top. Now by clicking adjustment, this means that what result you want, I mean of this video. This done, you can also share it on messenger enough share, and you can also add music from here. I just downloaded a music for it. First of all, let it build. It just need maximum 10 seconds. Don't need to worry. It is fully offline app, no watermark for this app. It's very amazing app. So now I'm sorry for the music, I don't know from where it came. Okay, now I'm gonna select this one music. I don't know you hear the music or not, but no, this one music. I just select the wrong music. No, sorry, I just downloaded and go for it, but I don't know where could I found it. Sorry about it, I'm taking your time. Yes, I got it. 6-second intro music. I think this, yes, it's fine. I think this app make the template of 6 seconds. Okay, so Ari is syncing. I'm just recording my music. I'm recording my music through headphones, so I don't know if you can hear the music or not, but it's fine. So it's ready and it's saved to the gallery. So I'm gonna open this, show you. You're done. This is I'm sorry about MX Player, nowadays it loads too much. You can see this is a classic logo. You can make your own and it's too much easy trick. So thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe and like the video and share the video. And if you have any problem regarding any app, or if you want to give me idea about sharing any kind of videos, so please comment me or contact me. I will give my own contact info in the description. So good luck. Thanks.
Make the ground shake.